Righty dighty do. Howdy ho everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Can you guys hear me? Things are going okay. Let's see if there is anybody here yet. Let's see. It's public. Okay, there is connection. Let me just check. Okay. Them seems fine, right? No crazy issue. I'll increase the light from my side. Okay. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Okay, we got some viewer. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to do something interesting, I will say. Because I wanted to I was talking to some people, looking at other people's videos and stuff, and I realized one thing is really important to have a plan, especially when it comes to LeetCode, because there is anything but have a plan and do some learning before doing anything, because somebody mentioned this that for any problem there can be multiple ways to solve it, right? You just need to know what is a better way to solve it and just have the ammunition prepared before you start going for the war. It's important to practice the war, keep yourself motivated and stuff, but it's way more important to just go ahead and get the ammunition ready first. So that's going to be our goal for next couple of weeks. I have my obesian ready. We are going to do a planning of what we want to cover, things, how we want to cover them and stuff like that. So that's basically the goal. That's second brain here. Okay, and I will start sharing my screen. Let's see if you guys can see it. I have so many tech jobs related stuff I was preparing. That stream is also coming, a big one, presentation and stuff. I'm legit looking for a new job too. So I'm using the guide which I'm preparing. So once I see success, I know the guide works and I can do a proper presentation on how to create resume, search for jobs, who to talk to, blah, blah, blah. So that's the goal. LeetCode in 5 weeks, completing whatever is necessary to actually able to crack the interviews. Absolutely anything necessary to crack the interviews. That's the goal. Okay. Just want to make sure. Can you guys hear me? Everything is okay. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Talk to me. Hi, bye, maybe. Anything? Whew. Am I audible? Need to check myself, I guess. Or ask in the Discord. Okay, I think we'll get started. It's fine. And I have some stuff prepared because we are going to take help from a dear friend of mine called Gemini. We are going to take help from this good old friend. I think that can be a big game changer. Yo, Idor, what's up, bro? Yo. Dude, I think this will be helpful for you as well. But I think you are working on Python, some interesting stuff. So maybe this might help you as well with coming up with better, wherever it's important, better algorithm, better stuff. Yeah, LeetCode. My goal is to cover LeetCode in 5 days and see how much if we are able to crack some interviews, because now you're good. Okay. Makes sense. That's fine. I just have to use some of its explore gems, learning coach. You got slaves on it. That's good, dude. Actually, I'm actually looking into like setting up my own system properly this time. I'm going through some videos on the side on the weekend. So hopefully, I will have a AI thing set up, a proper AI system set up for myself too. But let's prepare this. So I am a junior developer with experience in Java and Python. I want to clear interview rounds for a magnificent 7. How do you spell magnificent 7 company? Magnificent 7 are like the top 7 companies in the world, including Nvidia, Apple, Google, Meta, Tesla, and what else? Amazon. So those guys. So Magnificent 7, because that's our goal, right? I want to clear interview rounds for Magnificent 7 company. I want your help in creating a detailed plan to help me cover all the necessary topics to be able to do medium, because majority of those things, if you actually see, there are interviews which has a hard of them, hard problems in what's this called, these interviews, but majority of the time is just medium. Majority of the time is medium. So we have this prompt. Now another thing I want to, yes, I would love a surprise. Yes, I would love a surprise. Sure, send me a site. There is a one I actually wanted to share before I forget. Where is that one? GitHub with company-wise problems. So every company, you see, this guy has put all the problems. What in the hell? What? Does LeetCode have that tag? Interesting. We want to talk about, let's say, Amazon. Amazon. Okay. Some of my chats are not appearing in your in our chat. Really? Open chat GPT. Okay. What's up? We're doing it. Okay. Explore, like in the sense projects. Where is explore? Is there Explorer should be coming? Let's see. Dude, I have no idea. I hardly use this. No, I did log in. This one is logged in. This one is logged in. Let's see if I have any of this. No. In the URL. What? Okay, give me 1 second. I will just log in with the different ID. GPTs? Oh, no. It creates something else. Library, chats, new chat. I believe there was GPTs one point. Huh. I know what you're talking about. Like apps connector now. Okay, that's fine. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to do this. In the URL type GPTs. Here? Or here, like. Okay. Nah. That's fine. Give me 1 sec. I'm logging in with a different one. Let's see. Is it for all the accounts or just this guy? Do it on stream Twitch actually. I think then Twitch will be better. And I'll do the Discord one. You send something. Yo, oh, slash GPTs. Okay, here it is. Finally. I don't know why YouTube is like so aggressive recently. And I have a better account. One sec. 68. Type PyHack Pro. Is that by you? Okay. That's crazy though. Oh, it's the same one. Okay, I have this. We can close this guy quickly. So PyHack Pro. I know Kali GPT. I know the Kali GPT one. AI instructor. 5K conversation, 4.3, 50 plus rating. That's good. That's pretty good. Damn. Tutor. Okay. You want me to use it? Okay. We'll use it and then go back to our. Okay, so what do you want me to use it? Yeah? Makes sense. Yeah. I knew like there was a option of explore earlier, explore GPTs. If I'm not wrong, that's how what it was called. Interestingly, I don't see it anymore. And I was like, also, I knew what you were saying. I just didn't know like where it went. It's crazy. Okay, but let me. I have to finish the first this one. Then we can do. Okay. Okay, I think this will do. And let's do this one. Okay. Excellent. You got a solid foundation already. With structures effort can absolutely reach the level. Okay, to build a comprehensive guide, phase-based roadmap, master all DSL keys. Okay. In 12 weeks. I want a 7-week roadmap, a 5-week roadmap. It's okay. Okay. Week 1, arrays and strings, sliding window to pointer prefix sums. Okay. Hash maps and set, counting patterns, grouping, lookups, stacks and queues, linked list, books, grouping algorithms, LeetCode IO free roadmap. Okay. Okay. So I think this is what we need to do. Okay. I like this. I like this so far. Core algorithms, weeks 5 to 8. Recursion and backtracking, binary search, divide and conquer trees. This n queens one is like the goated problem. Common. Okay. Algo expert on LeetCode Pro. Back to back SWE. Excellent conceptual. Nations. Okay. Advanced topic optimization. Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a hard one, man. That's where my like I do go a bit tipsy. Heap queue collections does need to counter. Okay, that's actually cool. Like I like this model. It's done a good job. Not like not going to lie. Python hacker rank, crooking coding interview. Okay. Do 2-3 mocks per week. Interviewing.io pamp. Okay. Let's see how are they. Okay. No ID or to complete. Identify weak topics. Yeah, that's good to know. Daily schedule 2 to 3 hours per day. Concept studying, tutorial, review solutions, and optimize mock interview. Yeah. System design interviews are hard. There's a book actually I bought recently for system design, learning system design, and I'm probably going to buy something. I would say get yourself Chat GPT. I was thinking like, should I get like Gemini Pro? I have Gemini Pro right now, or Google AI Pro, so I need one. And I was thinking setting up like with Claude and couple of other ones, my system on the weekend, just do those and then look into it. Yo, Ranch, what's up, my Clippy? What's up? That's actually good shit. And we have this neat code IO arrays, 2 pointer string stacks. Beautiful. I'll share this one. Gemini is good for creating thumbnails and stuff. Indeed, I agree. Yes, ladki patane ki ninja technique. That's exactly what we are doing. This is good, bro. Good shit. Claude is good for coding, pure coding, no theory. Yeah, that's like, I think this is where interviewing IO and all these ones will work, right? That's actually good. Try our AI interviewer. How much does this cost? Might want to buy this one. Cracking coding interview. I already have this book. Blog, gift mock interviews, and then Pramp. That's good. That's actually good shit. Yeah. I agree. And let's see. Interviewing IO. Beyond cracking the coding interview for free, try AI interviewer for AI inter. Doesn't appear to have any type. Huh. Okay, what's this? With to access the free AI interview, you'll just need to sign up for a membership. This feature claims to mimic a fang and lets you practice. Okay. Hiring challenge. Unlike some other sites that clearly show the pricing upfront, interviewing isn't super clear about the pricing. Okay, starts at this per mock. Presumably, the more experienced the coach. Resume. I got an offer. Try. Okay. There is another thing actually I wanted to share you guys, because this is something you guys will like. I found a Discord channel. It's called interviewing, tech interviewing, preparation, something. Yeah. So this one is: Are you feeling overwhelmed by the endless lead code and system design grind? Take a shortcut of success by scheduling one-on-one sessions with a FANG professional today and save. So there is this, but also there's a lot of people inside here who want to prepare for this, as well as like like you. It's just basically one-on-one with a friend. You are going to take people's interview, and like you are going to give people interview here. Just talk to someone. Hey, I'm preparing for this company. Can we have, again, people are like here having those chats and stuff. So this is a really good one. I can share, invite people. I think this one will work. I don't know. Okay. Here. There you go, guys. Have a look at this one. And I haven't done one-on-one interviewing with anyone yet, but I probably will in future, because I want to like, I'm looking to move to a better company, because and like have better options, a bigger, like it's just time for me to change, make some changes. Just being honest here. My biggest mistake as a, staying 5 years in the company, don't do that. Don't make that mistake. Change your first company unless and it is like Magnificent Seven, unlike it's giving you like a really big package. Unless and it is that case, change your company after every like 2 or 3 years for your first 10 years. I made the mistake. I didn't change for first 5 years. I regret, and so I'm going to change a company, and I'm going to. I've already started applying for jobs, and I'm going to give interviews. Let's see how things go. Let's see. But whatever. Till now, what we have though in hand is basically this guy, a proper way of like things we need to cover to get things to reach our goal, right? This is what we have. We need to do. Practicing all those things. Okay. I love this though. Let's see what Gemini did. That's a fantastic and achievable goal. Getting a job top tier tech company is a marathon, not a sprint. And having a solid plan is the most important first step. I love that. In a nutshell, acing these interviews means mastering data structures and algorithms, understanding their performances, big O notation, and most importantly, recognizing patterns to solve problems you have never seen before. Since you are comfortable with Python, you are already in great position to focus purely on the logic. Yes, sir. Core practice area, LeetCode. That's not negotiable. It's a standard for a reason. The medium difficulty problems are the sweet spot for most interviews, which is very true given my recent things I've seen, or even past. The must do problems like NeetCode 150. This is an expanded version of Blind 75 list. It's arguably the single best resource right now. It groups LeetCode problems by pattern, which is the most efficient way to learn. NeetCode.io website and this free YouTube channel, NeetCode, okay, provide excellent and way with clear explanations in Python, 75 essential LeetCode problems. The pattern Bibles, Grokking the coding interview, cracking the coding interview. This one I have. This one I think I will love to look into, because I've seen this so much now. How does it look? Grokking the coding interview. Okay. So there's just the whole list. Okay. It's a whole course, I see. Okay. The visualizer, Visual Algo, a fantastic site to watch algorithms and data structures in action. Great for when you are stuck on how something like a heap or a graph traversal actually works. This actually will be helpful for like Rajesh and other people. And Ramesh. This is nice. Your detailed learning path. Here's a step-by-step plan. Foundation bigger, not needed. Linear data structure is okay. Yeah, no, I think either you are right. I think Gemini is ass in this case, 100%. I 100% agree with you that Black Python Pro is way better AI model, or in Chat GPT, I will say. We can do that planning now. So let's use Pipe Hack Pro. Okay, so for day one, want you to give me a list and list of um, data, list of I think say packages, modules that are built in with that comes with Python. Help me in this journey. What was that? Collections, I think. Python collections. There's collections. There is another one. VS Code had it. LeetCode, threesome, no. Import, no. Where was that? Or from? What is the name of the package that actually like helps with these problems? Iter tools. Like iter tools. Okay, let's see. Pro move. Many candidates overlook this, but knowing the right Python built-in modules can help you write shorter, cleaner, and faster code. Yes, sir. Must know Python modules for DSA, competitive programming and stuff. One is data tools, where we have Cartesian product, all combinations of selection, okay, permutation, combinations with replacement, uh, accumulate, running totals of prefix sum, chain, group by, okay. I think, yeah, the YouTube video will do the justice. There is collection, high performing specialized data structure, top k elements, frequent counting, fast O1 Q stack operation, okay, heap queue, okay, pop will be number one, push 0, okay, heaps and priority queues, bisect, bisect left, bisect right, bind search for sorted list. Okay, so this is actually like a great tool to start with, right? I think I'm going to like start working on creating a BSTN document, or actually like a GitHub document, so you guys are actually able to see it with me. Maths and statistics. So we have greatest common divisor, I think, lowest common multiple, square root, uh, I square root. I have no idea. Maybe iota, combination permutation, mean, median, mod, operator. Probably not. Have to look into the optional but nice. Enum and data class. Okay. Maybe I can use that in future one day. Bonus handy built-ins to master. Okay. Okay. I think this is a great list, and yeah, thanks to IDOR, we have something good now. So we can start with like, and I will just create this document because I had the LeetCode like GitHub prepared, so we can just keep on pushing on those. So this one will be with you guys like tomorrow. Let me know if I forget. Do join the Discord. So if I forget something anytime, you guys can call me out. But yeah, I will have this document sent along with the resources to talk about these extra stuff with Python, which you need to know and will be very helpful in like cracking LeetCode problems. So that's this will be good. And so week one will be just arrays and trying to hit, I think, 50 problems like in week 1, 2, or something. How many problems are there for LeetCode? Here, let's check. Easy ones. So one we have, what was it? Up if we go for week one, we have arrays and strings, sliding window, two pointer, prefix sum. Those are very much needed. So algorithms, arrays, difficulty. We have done some. We can hit at least like how many easy problems are there? There's so many. Let's see. LeetCode or NeetCode actually. So we have NeetCode roadmap, arrays and hashing, contain duplicates, to sum, all these ones we have. Okay, so I think this is it, right? This is what we'll do. In next, just tomorrow we'll just focus on creating our notes for Python and setting up an environment. I will try to find what is the best way I can like show you, as well as like just code which we can run fast without any help. That is the biggest thing. Without any help, write Python freaking code. So that's first thing. Dynamic arrays. Static arrays, dynamic arrays, linked list. Okay. And these are the courses. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is it. This is it for our stuff. I know the first 2 days are kind of easygoing. I think our first two streams in one day are easygoing because morning one has been like just planning, looking into penetration tester one certificate. Second now is this one, but both are needed, right? Like one is about passion and trying to get a in from developer to hacking, and this one is what like even if you want to do hacking or just get inside a company, have a job, this is important. So both are kind of like you can't get rid of even a single one of them. Let's see. But yeah, okay, lads. Thank you so much. For tomorrow, around this time, or actually a bit early, hopefully, we will be starting for 7 to 8 a.m. my time. So I think it would be 8:30 India time. Yo, check it out. Okay, sure. But dude, like, thank you for PyHack Pro, man. That's actually a really good one. Oh, you did it on PyPy. Nice. He did a design system for these things. Nice, bro. Do you have some images? Can you send those images? You sent some. Can you send the images with like these components? This is good. Nice. Good job, man. Like, yes. Send it up. Okay. Sweet. Notion Discord, Auto RPC, Stay Connected Discord. Residence Hack the Box. These are nice. These are nice. Yeah. I like these components. This is like one I really like. I I can't take the name. Never mind. Because of a client, I started loving using one. I don't know if I can take the name or anything, but I know what you are doing, and it's really good. Very useful, man. Discord profile. Notion rich presence. Cryptor. Love that. That's awesome, Ido. Dude, I'm proud of you, man. You're doing so many nice, cool things. It's amazing. So talented. Nice. And I have a meeting at 6. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, lads. I think this is it for today. This is it for today because um, we have just coding now in like hacking to do tomorrow. I have meetings from 6 to 7, then from 8 till like 2 for my stuff. So we have 1 hour between 7 to 8. I will come fast and then we'll cover hacking and we'll stay focused so that we can cover as much as possible. Just this week has been busy like this. Um, that's 1 second, but we will come in the evening. We'll cover as much as possible for LeetCode as well. I know, man. Like I am as frustrated as you. It's just if I was rich enough to help me, like that, like this YouTube, or even just like there was some way my bills were being paid, I would have like loved to just keep on doing YouTube and this. I would love to stream like more than 8 hours every day. It would have been. It is like a dream almost to make it big in this and like help others through streaming and just yeah, meet people, amazing people like you. It's fun. It's amazing work, man. It's an amazing business. But yeah, so with that being said, thank you everyone. This one was a good, successful day because we covered what we wanted to. We looked at some stuff and iPad to 26. Oh, like your iPad? Dude, I'm about to get a new phone after like my one, mine one was stolen. About to get like 17, not Pro Max or Pro or anything, just 17 simple, affordable in my budget. So I can start making videos. I looked into something called VN Editor after some people mentioned in the Discord, and you will see some really good easy snippet type stuff. Oh, crazy lag? Damn. Sorry, man. I don't know why there is a crazy lag. Looks good connection on my side. Yeah. So you will see reels too coming. Like this week, you will see my first reel, which I've wanted. It's going to be a funny one. It's like more all my stuff online, which will be like on other places. Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Yeah, like on hopefully on the weekend you will see my very first reel on Instagram, um, YouTube, and other places, and it's just fun. It's just fun. It's just funny one. So hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Tomorrow, and I will release this stuff we did hopefully tomorrow before our stream, so we can like stay on the same page. You guys have all the content you need to prepare also yourself. You don't have to if you don't want to, or if you are this time doesn't work, at least you have the content from GitHub to prepare for these interviews yourself. But till then, thank you so much, lads. Have a great day. It's 10 p.m. my sleep time because I started waking up at like 5, 6 in the morning. So need that 8 hours of sleep. But till then, thank you so much. Have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. PST. And this has been your favorite sniffer of packets when they are in a line. Your favorite censored hacker, neighborhood spyware. A real life neighborhood spyware. Till then, thank you so much, and a big, just like Ido said, a big bye. Thank you, lads. Have a good one.